Oh my God, Joe. The best omelet in the history of mankind. Get the eggs. I have mayo. I mix 1 egg with 1 big spoon of mayo. Mayonnaise. I put it in a shallow kind of crystal plate. A little bit of fat. I put oil and butter, I think, a little bit. Mm-hmm. I whisk. Mm-hmm. I put that egg mix of mayo and egg. I put it in the microwave, 30, 40 seconds.
What will you do with them? Wow. Besides what I need for cultivation. Of course, I'd secretly say to them, hey. We are the #1 product.
Really? Microwave omelet was the best omelet in the history of mankind.
Wow.